Thrilled with the coastal location of their summer house in the Los Angeles area, but not with its bold 1990s architecture, a family of 4 approached Blue Truck Studio with a clear request: tone it down. What they had: a house with striking geometries, such as octagon-shaped rooms and triangular spaces. What they wanted: a home with simple forms and rustic textures, inspired by the Sea Ranch community in Northern California. The initial design process opted to preserve the original shape while reconfiguring the windows across the facades. Blue Truck Studio wrapped the house in new cladding to simplify its form and enhance privacy. The renovation maintained the octagonal structure that protrudes from one side of the house, the 2 rectangular volumes extending from the facade, and the angular structure that defines part of the second floor. A new interior was created, calm, open spaces that flow seamlessly into one another. The team removed a fireplace structure in a corner of the living room that was obstructing movement inside. The house had felt overwhelming. Jarring was one way to describe it. Floor-to-ceiling windows open onto the home's 2 patios, creating a smooth transition between indoors and outdoors. A pivot door and 2 large sliding doors invite abundant natural light inside. All finishes, surfaces, lighting fixtures, and equipment were updated, and the facade was clad in Alaskan yellow cedar, chosen for its natural weathering process that will gradually develop a gray patina reminiscent of Sea Ranch's rustic aesthetic. The 4-bedroom house offers both possibilities: expansive gathering areas for entertainment and secluded spaces for privacy. There are also numerous features designed for recreation, including a converted garage that now serves as a play area and art studio, a driveway transformed into a soccer field, and a slatted outdoor shower for rinsing off after a day at the beach, elements that reflect the family's active lifestyle. The 3,770-square-foot renovation in Manhattan Beach, California, took 14 months to complete. Referencing the home's exterior, the cedar cladding, painted white, also wraps around the staircase. On the upper floor, the layout narrows at the center, allowing for a ground-level patio on one side, topped with wooden slats that filter sunlight. Light hardwood floors contrast with the sharply angled white walls. Additional wood accents appear in the kitchen cabinetry, shelving units, window slats, and outdoor bench seating.